Importantly, we'll also have to keep an eye out on the Adani Group stocks again today. Fresh allegations now emerging. OCCRP has alleged that Mauritius-based opaque funds have invested millions of dollars in Adani stocks, and publicly traded group stocks through Mauritius-based opaque investment funds by partners of promoter family. The Organised Crime and Corruption Reporting Project (OCCRP) has alleged this. The fresh allegations by this organization is funded by the likes of George Soros and Rockefeller Brothers Fund. That comes just months after the Hindenburg research report had come early this year as well. So Adani Group stocks will be in focus. Remember, the Adani Group's response to this is still awaited, and we'll continue to watch out for if the group really responds. Right now, the Adani Enterprises has actually said the group has clarified it rejects all the allegations as per some reports. I think it's just come in. They are saying that they're rejecting the allegations, fresh allegations made against the group. But in the pre-opening trade, Adani Enterprises trading 2.5% down, 24.49. Adani Green down by almost 4%, 932. Adani Ports also down by 1.8% odd at this point in time, 803 the current level. Adani Power also down by 4.3%. So largely most of the group stocks are down in trade. There are more responses coming in. Adani Group has said that claims are based on closed cases from a decade ago. These are again reports and perhaps coming in from Bloomberg too. Your take, Sunny, on Adani Group stocks. Just when we had thought that the worst is behind and most of the reports were already out, SEBI had also recently submitted its reports in the Supreme Court. The hearing is still awaited. But these fresh allegations, what do they mean for the Adani Group shareholders?
Yeah, definitely negative news for an Adani Group. So one should stay away till the time all this negative news or negative narratives pertaining to all this insider trading and all this get over. But having said that, what we feel is that the certain businesses in Adani Group which are very strong on cash flow side, like Adani Ports, ACC and Ambuja. So basically, these three businesses are the businesses which are on our radar, and one can definitely look at them. So buy on deep is the strategy one can follow. If somebody is a long-term investor, one can look at Adani Port, ACC and Ambuja. But at the same time, one has to keep in mind that it is not till the time all this negativity pertaining to the allegation and all those goes away. I don't think so. There is much upside in this pack name also. So let's wait and watch. Let all the negative narrative play out, and then probably at a later stage we can reconsider our investment strategy in Adani Group.
Adani stocks now, what should one do?
See, a lot of news flow is there, so volatility is going to be there, and today's expiry day, a lot of adjustment is going to take place. So I think till the clarity is not coming from both the parties, and again, Supreme Court verdict is also awaited on this stock. So I think there will be a hangover for most of the Adani Group stock, though most of the stocks have done well in the recent past. So if we talk about the technical setup for Adani Port, so immediate resistance area or major supply area is at around 840. So until the stock not crosses above 840, there won't be any fresh buying action or short covering action will take place. So above 840, stock can do well on the higher side, and then possibly 890, 900 target could be there. But yes, on the downside, 785 is the key level to watch for on the downside. If it breaks below 785, then this supply pressure can extend, and then the stock may slide further towards 740 level also. On Adani Enterprise, almost stock is hovering at its 50-day moving average, which is almost at around 2440 zone. So if stock breaks below 2440 level in today's trade and settle below to 2440, then there won't be any buying interest, and then maybe furthermore supply can be there around, then stock can slide towards 2360, 2330 zone also. So 2440 is key level to watch for on the downside for today's trade. On the higher side, 2520 is the level where one should keep eye. If it stocks crosses 2520, then short covering action can be there in this stock.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.